it's your boy Joshua Too Saucy back at it again on another video. And today we're gonna be cooking some roast beef. So the first step that we got is to cut up these vegetables. That's what I'll do first. And they are cut. So now the next step is to go ahead and open up the meat and get it right. So let's go ahead and get into that. I'm gonna time lapse this. Right. So now that we have the meat in there and we have the vegetables cut up, the next step will be putting water in here. And the water is in there, if you can see. So now we put the vegetables in there. Now the vegetables are in there. Now we'll go ahead and add the seasoning. The seasoning has been added. We will stir this and turn it on to high so that it can cook.
Coronavirus!
I don't have the coronavirus though. I think I'm doing this right. Now we just let it sit in here and cook. We are not quite done with the food yet, but it is time for bed.
Let's go!
I wanna cripple the lake, I wanna big in me face. I wanna be at the top, I want my wrist full of rocks. I wanna drink us a rock, posted in Paris somewhere on a yacht.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let go.